Today, maintaining road infrastructure efficiently is more critical than ever. And to help digitize the industry, we have developed a comprehensive road maintenance solution that gives management a single portal to manage all their projects. It comprises a smart camera based road inspection system with ML tools for early detection of defects, a mobile based defect management system for inspectors and contractors to register and resolve defects, and a roads focused document management system with email integration and OCR for tracking correspondences and responses. The smart camera based road inspection system allows for remote access to video inspections of all projects on a single portal. Our vehicle mounted smart inspection camera can be easily connected to any patrol vehicle to capture footage in real time for remote viewing or connected to our AI/ML models for asset and defect detection. Our defect management system comes with an easy to use mobile app that can be used by inspectors to easily report defects with image, exact chainage, and GIS location, and by road contractors to update rectification progress with images. The system has inbuilt tracking of open defects and alerts for overdue defects. Our solution also comprises a robust roads-focused document management system with email integration and OCR. As letters are received by the DMS, OCR technology automatically detects and classifies details like project name, sender, date, etc. from attached letters with no human intervention. With multiple color-coded statuses, it ensures timely replies and a flawless compliance record. The key part of our solution is how it combines the many technologies into one powerful management dashboard. This enables you to view all your project's data on a single dashboard from anywhere in the world. Contact us today to keep your road in an excellent condition, avoid hefty penalties, and overall improve your profitability.